Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Gadget Corner. I'm thrilled to bring you an exclusive look at a revolutionary device that's reshaping the way we experience technology, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. In this video, we'll dive into an in-depth analysis of its features, pros, and cons, helping you decide if this is the gadget for you. Stick around till the end, as I've got a surprise Amazon gift card offer waiting for you. Feature 1. Expansive screen, cinematic experience. Imagine holding a cinematic masterpiece right in your hands. With the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the expansive 7.6-inch screen transports you into a world of vivid visuals and immersive content. No matter where you are, your favorite shows and movies come to life like never before. Feature 2. Elevated gaming experience. Gaming on the go has never been this thrilling. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 enhances your gaming experience with its impressive processor and high refresh rate. Whether you choose to play on the cover screen or unfold the interior screen for an immersive adventure, minimal input delays ensure you stay ahead in the game. Feature 3. The future of multitasking. Get ready to redefine multitasking. The dual-app viewing feature lets you do more with the extra screen real estate. Drag and drop photos into text messages, compare products side by side, or even stream videos while browsing your social feed. The possibilities are endless. Feature 4. Productivity with precision. Precision meets productivity with the Galaxy Z Fold 5's S Pen capability. Seamlessly switch from writing notes on a large screen to crossing off your to-do list. The S Pen unlocks a new level of efficiency, helping you stay organized and focused. Feature 5. Versatile display. From quick tasks to comprehensive activities, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 adapts effortlessly. The 6.2-inch cover display is perfect for easy one-handed scrolling, while the expansive 7.6-inch interior screen provides the canvas you need for immersive experiences. Feature 6. Flex mode. Hands-free convenience. Say goodbye to juggling devices during video calls. With Flex Mode, your Galaxy Z Fold 5 becomes a hands-free multitasking marvel. Chat with friends while looking up information, or take notes during important discussions. It's all possible with this groundbreaking feature. Feature 7. Ultimate viewing experience. Take your viewing experience to a whole new level with Flex Mode. Adjust the screen to your preferred angle, whether you're enjoying a meal, jotting down thoughts, or simply relaxing. It's a truly hands-free way to consume your favorite content. Feature 8. Sleek design, bold choices. Turn heads with the Galaxy Z Fold 5's sleek design, and make an even bolder statement. By unfolding its massive 7.6-inch interior screen, available in 3 unique colors, this device seamlessly blends style and innovation. Feature 9. Unfold with confidence. Safety meets style with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. With Gorilla Glass Victus 2 external protection and IPX8 water resistance, you can confidently unfold your world, no matter where life takes you. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's remarkable features. Now, let's talk about that exciting launch offer. Order now, and you'll receive a $200 Amazon gift card by choosing the gift card bundle variation. Plus, you'll find the Amazon purchasing link in the description box below. Remember, I've also posted an in-depth analysis, pros and cons, to help you decide if this is the perfect addition to your tech collection. Thanks for joining me on the Gadget Corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Until next time, stay curious.